competition ba?
No.
Tuluan na kayo.
Ito na yan. Maybe I can start this.
Same. I can't. I'm too scared.
Sabi bata niyo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! My God, that's a lot.
I want to.
Too much, my God. Thank you so much. Ah, ang galing. Look at that. Ah, ganito pala pag-open. This is how to open. Tignan mo lang kung paano pag-open.
Ah, nice. Hello, oh. Black law.
Look how she's opening it. You need to learn how to do it.
Mommy, look at the clock. I don't want to anymore.
Ay, baby to.
My stomach feels so sour. I'm finished.
Taste it on the other side.
Ano mo lang siya, baby? Ano mo lang siya?
I need water. I'm gonna get water then. Dad, I'm gonna get water. Where to get water, Dad?
Ganito pala ito, baby, oh. Mas malaki yan. Wila ba?
I see crab. This is a female.
This is good. What I experience. Experience lang. It's worth it. It's waiting at 25, you see? Here, move. Move on the side. Akin yung plate mo? Kaya na plate mo?
Okay, let's try.
This one is blind.
Wala itong malaking clothes.
This crab is blind.
Medyo mo nag-upit mo. Ganyan naman lang, oh. Oh, kasama naman.
Can I have mommy?
Ay, yeah, broccoli. like it. Inom ka ng inom. Hindi ka ng inom. Kailangan ko rin nila JR.
So they have. Highly recommended. It's worth it. But if you're gonna go for like a budget one, go for the slow, unlimited slow crab, right? It's worth it.
Ano gusto nilang king crab?
King crab, it's a bit expensive, but kasi the reason why we didn't go for king crab, kasi na-play na namin siya kahapon. Ano yung isang araw? Sa labas, dun sa outer market. May break ka pang ganun. Ayun yung kasama dun sa unlimited nila. Siya at king crab lang talaga. Asa. Dahil ka rin nakaka-afford eh. Take mo.
I don't want to go to Europe.
Kaya sa Europe.
Yep, it's for point.
Maybe you see the full.
We're trying to get a visa, but it's hard now, right?
Because of the pandemic.
To Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yeah, but the visa, I don't know why they're not
It's hard to get a Schengen right now.
Mom, it's good.
Yeah. Kasi ako lang pa eh.
Dad, this is lime. 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 Can I touch that? Dad.
Oishi.
Oishi. Number one. Turn it off. Hang on, you're not the first one.
Bye, vlogging. Bye,
Come on, come on. Give me Willow.
Willow, give me. I have one more.
Mommy, could you give me your cup?
I'm not finished. Okay? I'm not finished.
Because she's stuck out.
Yes, I am. Ay, hoy. Parang masarap siya pag malamig. Sarap
Malamig,
din.
malamig yan?
Hindi.
Iba yung lasa na.
Malamig.
And it's called na-enhance yung flavor ng crab. That's why
Mainit.
we're serving it at the hotel like that.
Pag mainit, mawawala yung lasa.
Oh my god, we ate a lot. Yeah, we almost filled this bucket. It's too much. But it's worth it.
It's all worth it.
Yeah, so the price is worth it for this amount of crab that you're gonna have. And what else? Choose to get the package for the snow crab, which is really nice. And this group here, yeah, they're really nice. They're from Hawaii.
Oh, we're gonna walk some more.
They order a lot. King crab. Yeah, and we order the snow crab.
Here's just a timer, and you can only eat for 1 hour.
Yes, again, what is that?
Wait, I forgot. There's a timer here. You can only eat for
1 hour.
1 hour, yes.
Yeah, so how many minutes do we have?
10 minutes.
We have 10 minutes.
Ay, Pino.
It's pointing on the number.
Video.
Anyway. So guys, we're gonna end our video here. Hope you had fun.
Mommy, be
Last
faster.
leg.
Thanks for joining us.
Last leg.
Mommy,
Thanks
be
for
faster.
joining.
Be faster. Bye, vlogging.
People from Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Nice to meet you, folks.
Aloha.
Aloha, yeah, aloha,
We watched it in Disneyland yesterday. Aloha.
Oh, you watched from Disneyland? Really? Aloha?
Aloha. Yes.
Lilo and Stitch?
Yes.
Wait here. Done?
15.
Ooh, it's cold outside.